Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to create smooth transitions in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're editing cinematic videos, gaming montages, YouTube content, reels, or travel edits, yeah, smooth transitions can make your videos feel much more professional and visually satisfying. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import the clips you want to transition between into the project panel. Now drag your clips onto the timeline and place them next to each other in sequence. One of the easiest ways to create smooth transitions is animating position and scale with keyframes. Whip pan transitions use fast camera movement between clips to create energetic scene changes. To make transitions feel more satisfying, sync the movement and cuts with the beat of the music. Sound effects like whooshes, impacts, and risers can make transitions feel much more immersive. Once your transitions look smooth, preview the full video carefully and export the final version in high quality. And that's basically how to create smooth transitions in After Effects in 2026. With keyframes, motion blur, zoom effects, and sound design, you can create professional-looking transitions directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.